Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the 8GB Pro Voice Recorder. We sell a lot of hidden audio recorders, but there's always a need for a non-covert model. This audio recorder sports a full 15-hour battery and can even be voice activated. When there is no noise, it can actually go to sleep for up to 31 days. It has everything that you would come to expect with a high-end audio recorder, things like time and date stamping and adjustable recording qualities. Not being covert does have its advantages, such as an external microphone support and a screen. Now, a screen doesn't seem like much, but it makes using the device much easier. The most important thing is how it sounds. Take a listen to this quality demonstration. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the professional digital audio recorder. Now there's a little bit to this recorder, a little bit more than our normal audio recorders. Some of our discrete ones are very easy to use with a simple on-off. This one's not discrete, so they're actually able to put a screen as well as buttons. So it makes it a little bit more robust, but also a little bit more complicated. Let me show you how to use this. Now if you recall from earlier in the video, I talked about different record modes that it has. There's 3 of them specifically, and I'm going to show you how to do each one, all right? Now if I'm going to come close to the camera here, I'm going to show you. If you hold down this middle play pause button, the actual screen is going to light up, it's going to power on, okay? And whenever you're greeted with this area here, now you're actually powered on. If you press the record button right now, that's going to get you just into a continuous record mode. If you want to do standard voice activation, what you do is you hold down the menu button. It's going to bring you to the menu. You're going to navigate by pressing this right arrow one time, and it's going to bring you to option 2, which is VOS. Press the play button once, it's going to bring you, like it's an enter button, so you're entering that mode. Right now it's off, so I'm going to press the right arrow once to turn on. Hit the middle enter button, saying yes, I want to do that. That's going to bring you back to the menu. To get out of the menu, you just hold down the menu button again, and that brings you here. You can tell that you've done it successfully with the little VOS logo that's right there. At this point in time, all you would do is press that record button, and that's going to bring you into a voice activation mode. Now, you heard me talk about a super voice activation mode, where the recorder will actually go to sleep. To trigger that, all you do is on the side here, once it's powered up, flip the little switch up. You're going to see the screen go dark here, and that to you tells you that you've started the recording. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is transition the recording from the camera over to the professional digital audio recorder. So you're going to see the screen go dark, and then it's going to be the audio coming from this. Okay, so now all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the professional digital voice recorder itself. Okay, now we're going to do a couple of different tests here today, and for the first test, what I'm going to do, it's a conversation test. I'm going to put the professional digital audio recorder in my pocket. Okay. How are you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. These tests are done in a normal speaking volume.
Excellent, and for the next test, what I'm going to do is put the professional digital audio recorder on this back shelf here. There you go. Okay, so this is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, this is a test at 30 feet. The built-in screen and forward-facing buttons allow you to play back any audio recorded directly through the device through the built-in speaker. Now that's on the back here. Or you can utilize the headphones if you prefer. You can also use the provided USB cable and download the recordings directly to your computer. Now the recordings are both Windows and Mac compatible. The 8GB internal memory can store over 1,000 hours of audio.